Hey everybody, I'm going to show you to change your windshield wiper blades today. All you're really going to need for the job are the wiper blades themselves, along with your favorite automotive glass cleaners. Something preferably without ammonia, so it's tint safe, and two microfiber towels. We're going to be changing the wiper blades on a J-hook arm along with some tips and tricks. The J-hook arm is one of the most common types you'll find on cars. The 2003 Nissan Sentra we're going to be working on today has the J-hook arm. So if you have a Nissan Sentra in that model, you should be covered. If you don't have the wiper blades, you have to make sure you get the right lock type along with the right size for both driver and passenger side. You can find the right wiper blades by looking online. You'll know if you need to change your wiper blades if there are streaks after wiping, excessive noise such as squeaking and or chattering, skipping, and finally inspecting the rubber blades for imperfections and if it's generally falling apart. First, you're going to bring up your wiper arm and angle the blade upwards. Second, you're going to take your microfiber towel where the wiper blade sits, to avoid accidentally bumping into it and having it hit the windshield, which can break it. Third, you're going to take your wiper blade arm, or wiper blade, and push it down, and then slide it out. Now your old wiper blade is off. And then lastly, you just get your new wiper blade, and this is a Bosch Icon one, and it has this mechanism right here, which you pinch to the side, undo, and you have a hole right here. You put it through that hole, you slide it up and you're going to hear a click right there, and then click this down and you are done. Move the microfiber towel and that's your first wiper blade. For your sixth step, you're going to want to clean the entire windshield, especially the part where the wiper blades meet the windshield, because that's where a lot of dirt likes to collect. And if you put on new windshield wipers with all that dirt, it's just going to wear them out faster. And so you just spray one half of the windshield down with your automotive glass cleaner. Take one microfiber towel, and I like to do it in swirling motions across the entire thing. You take another clean microfiber towel, and this will act as your drying towel. It'll leave no streaks behind. So you just go up and down, and then you repeat this step for the other side as well. And for your last step, all you're going to want to do is bring down the wiper blades and you're done.